Hello and welcome to the course Redux to the Point, where I try to demystify the library, its concepts and fundamentals from a beginner's perspective, and explain each concept and terminology with just enough code so that we tackle each of them separately and clear them before taking the next concept, and in that process, handhold you through each line of code we write. Redux, especially if you are a beginner, might be a bit tricky to wrap the head around some of the concepts, and the documentation may feel a bit overwhelming for some. And in this course, it's all about keeping it straight, simple and to the point. The only expectation I have is that you should have a decent understanding about JavaScript and at least a minimal exposure to React. This is not a React course, and so when you hear about things like state, props or components, you should understand what that means, but by no means you need to be an expert either. That said, I'm so happy and honored to welcome you to this course, and I really hope that Redux will no longer be a mystery or a pain point once you have completed the course and it gives you the confidence to tackle interviews or ramp up quickly in projects, whatever be the aim is. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the content.